Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a deer silhouette. So here you can see that I'm using my thin black pen to draw the deer silhouette. I'm starting with its large horn. It has so many branches. Now I'm drawing its head. Here is its leg. Here's another one. Here is its belly and third leg. And here's the last one. It has tiny tail. My drawing is done. Now for the coloring, I'm using my black pen. I will do the outline first. I'm doing a little touch-up with my thin black pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.